What's going on, guys? Steve Sand here with Beyond the Build. We're over here at Javi and Nato's house, and we're going to be installing an exhaust onto his Subaru WRX. Yeah, there goes Javi. Damn, look at the handsome guy right there.
All right, first, this is a Subaru we're going to be working with. Really clean. Yeah, I'm thinking I should have got this darker color. Everyone has a lighter blue. Looks so good, man. I think it's one of the first mods other than the tint. First mod. This is gonna go on. It should be really simple, actually. Just literally 4 bolts. I don't think you even need to jack up the car that much. Let me give some light on that. There you go. Boom. That's gonna go on here.
These
Take a quick look.
Maybe they are. Your car's gonna be loud, you know, right?
It's gonna be cute, dude.
I think they're all the same, like. But they didn't fit on an STI, that's the thing. And that's a WRX.
This doesn't fit on an STI?
They didn't know. No, it's a WRX. Because they're different.
So first things first, jack up the car, jacking points. Yeah, they're both touching, dude. You're good. You're good. Give you a little bit more room, yeah. I messed up my back deadlifting.
So I went for a PR, I hit a 315, and that was my goal for a year ago. And I messed up my back, I snapped up my back, I'm sore. So,
These lovely young men are gonna be all doing all the heavy lifting. I'm just gonna be filming.
like a real YouTuber. And then I'm gonna buy a crashed Lambo and start fixing it up. Look at these games, bro.
Look at his gains, man. He cut so much weight. He's getting some already.
We're trying 2020, baby.
Dudes, we're going to Beach Club, Hard Rock. Was it March?
March,
16th?
the end of March.
Let's go.
Y'all be there?
Gains, bro. We're gonna do it, boy.
With the exhaust.
Take a look at this. Oh yeah, man.
Alright,
Let's do this real quick. Oh, so it's gonna take off these. You said these resonators right here.
Yeah, that's it. It's gonna be loud.
This one. Other one.
1.5 like a deep. I think it's like a deep 17. Probably.
Yeah, I have the 17. I have a 17, but I don't. You have a wrench 17?
I think so.
Are we like the same year? So.
No, you're 17, I'm an 18.
2.
Turn 18.
So look,
I have an adapter.
this one's gonna go right here.
I have an adapter, so I'm putting it there. Yeah, my brother, need an adapter.
For the rubbers. Those are my least favorite things to take off. I think this is the most awkward position.
There you go.
Did it?
Look at that. I said though, and that baby forearm.
Ah, cute, huh?
It's up to you. I want your happiness.
Easy?
Yeah. And there's two rubbers that go right here. There's no gasket here, bro. It's just a circle. Wait. Oh, I think you're right. No, there isn't. There isn't. It's a boy.
It's a muffler.
It's a boy, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's so beautiful. Don't you want to hold him? Hold him. It's your boy.
God damn. That thing's massive.
Yeah, your thing is gonna be so loud. Let's do a comparison. I'm gonna get the camera over here. Do that. You guys can't.
Look at this. Hold both.
Look at that compared to that.
Look at that. Hold both. Hold both. Compared to.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Get hold like right here, dude. Hanger, yeah. And a baller ass setup. Damn, he's flexing. Even giving more light right here.
Hold on.
He flexing. He flexing. Why? How we gotta be flexing? Ooh. Ooh. Oh. He's ready for the pool parties. Ooh. Damn, boy. Okay, there goes Javi. It's literally just 2 hangers and those 2 bolts. So it goes opposite ways. It literally just.
Kind of get a Jimmy at sometimes.
Jimmy John it, babe. Ooh. Ooh, get it, Javi. Oh.
Spit on it.
There you go. That's the money shot. That's 1 rubber. Shmoney. That's 1 rubber. That's 2 rubbers.
Oh, can you do me a
That's 2
favor?
bolts.
You got my phone?
That's a good shot right there, actually.
This bit's gonna be loud as hell.
I wouldn't step in it.
We're just gonna do a half. We're gonna do a half start. What do you call it? One side's on, other side's not on.
I'm just telling him not
It's gonna be loud. That's not bad. Give it a little gas. With your head. That doesn't sound good, dude. Sounds better actually. All right,
Take it on a cruise.
We're gonna do a flame mod on this bit.
Oh yeah, bring him.
Let's install the flame mod on this bit. Dude, you want flames?
No, he needs to take his cat off. He can't do it.
Oh, you're
He
right.
has a cat.
No, you. Oh yeah, you're right.
Don't blow it up.
The tip, bro. Just the tip. Ultra tip, bro. Oh, nice and shiny. Nice and shiny tip. Oh my gosh. You want to be actually? He's gonna get the inside. No, it's too much.
McGuire's waterless wash.
Hey, shout out to McGuire's.
Thanks to Stevens for the sponsorship.
Hey, we're gonna sponsor us again, man.
Yeah, seriously, McGuire's. What's
Come
up,
here.
guys? We love you. I miss you. We love you.
Hey, man. I know I'm supposed to send the sponsorship again. I'm gonna send it again. So now we're gonna get that sponsorship, bro.
If you guys need reference, this WRX has been nothing but McGuire's, and I even have the McGuire's bottle spray.
Hey, man. Hit it up, man. This is next SEMA car. You need next SEMA car right here. We got one right here.
Yeah, you need a SEMA car. I'll have it done before. This year if you guys need it to.
Let's go.
Message me.
SEMA's car. Again?
I'm good.
SEMA 2020? SEMA 2020. Let's go, boys. Sounds good. Hell yeah. Woo! Down, boy. Down, boy. Hey, red light, you're not down. That's loud. I like it. And shotgun. Yes, I do. Especially for this vlog. Oh, boy. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. Alright, good. Well, that exhaust is dope as fuck.
Definitely like it.
No.
See you guys on the next episode. Thank you for joining us today.
That's gonna do it for today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next episode. Peace. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.